The ratio of the number of apples to the number of pears in a basket was 4:9. Apples is to pears. At first, okay, so after 41 pears were removed, 56% of the remaining fruits were apples. How many pears were there in the basket at first? So in this question, there are two fruits, apples and pears. You are only removing the pears. You're not touching the apples, so apples must remain the same. Apples remain same. Okay? So you can employ a ratio method, or you can even use the BCA table, before, change and after. Before, change and after. So you have apples and pears. Before, this will be 4 units. This will be 9 units. Okay, so in the end, 56% of the remaining were apples. So what is 56% in fraction? Change that first. 56 out of 100. Okay, you can put it to simplest form. 14:25. So this will become, can change to fraction over here at the top. 14/25 of the remaining fruits were apples. So out of 25, 14 will be for apples. So 14 parts. Alright, so pears will be 25 minus 14. There will be 11 parts. Okay, hey, apples must remain the same. You cannot have 4 and 14 like that. So push it to a common multiple, and that will be 28. So times 7, over here you can times 2. So you'll get 28 units here. Over here you can change it to units as well, because you have made it the same. So over here times 7 as well. 7 times 9, that will be 63. 11 times 9, 11 times 2, right? Because this side times 2, that will be 22 units. Alright, so if you do a subtraction, 63 minus 22, you realize that 41 units of apples, or rather 41 units of pears, have been removed. 41 units will be equals to that 41 pears that you removed. Find 1 unit. 1, okay. How many pears were there in the basket at first? So this will be 63 units. 1 times of 63, final answer, 63 pears.